Hey everyone, this is CryptoBibbo here and welcome to my first video around here. So today I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to buy the Alaska Inu coin, okay? It's actually really easy. If you follow step by step, everything is going to be good to go and you'll get your Alaska Inu. So basically the first thing you need to do is to download an app called TrustWallet, okay? So it looks like this. So if you're on the iPhone, you can go on the App Store and type in TrustWallet. And it's going to be the first icon here that you can download. Okay, if you're on Android, it's Google Play. So yeah, so once you've downloaded on your phone the Trust Wallet app, the first thing you need to do is to buy BNB. Okay, so BNB is the Binance coin, and the reason why you need to buy BNB first is because the only way you can actually get your Alaska Inu coin is if you transfer from BNB to Alaska Inu. Okay, it's the only way you can actually buy some. So first, you want to click over here on BNB, and you need to buy some BNB. Now, a lot of people what they would do is they would buy directly from the Trust Wallet app. As you can see on the top right corner, they would click on buy. And basically why I do not recommend to buy BNB directly from the Trust Wallet app is because the fees are extremely high. Also, you need at least to deposit $50 to make the transaction go. And also, a lot of people are having problems with their bank. Okay, so the banks are declining the purchases directly from the Trust Wallet app. So it's not really good, but I have a great alternative to this, and it's way easier to do and it's just not costly at all. So this alternative is Binance. Okay, so I will have a link in the description, guys, for you to sign up and register to Binance exchange. So this is where you're going to buy your BNB, okay, instead. And basically, if you use my link, it really helps me out and support the channel. And also, if you use my link, I think you have around 10% off your trading fees on the exchange. Okay, so it's really good. So basically, once you've registered and downloaded the Binance app, okay, you can see over here it says credit/debit card. So you want to click on that button. And then what you want to do is to buy some BNB. All right, so you're gonna click on the BNB button over here and you can enter the amount you want to buy. Okay, so for example, let's say the minimum on this is $15 USD. So you would click on continue, and then you would add your card, add new card. So add your credit card information and then buy the BNB. Now I already have some, so I'm not gonna do this step, but yeah, once you have it, what you need to do to make sure you have it, you go on the bottom right corner where it says wallets, click on wallets, and as you can see over here, we have BNB. So usually it takes a couple of minutes and you'll receive your BNB right on the Binance exchange once you bought it. Okay, so you're gonna end up here. So now what you need to do is to transfer the BNB you have on the Binance exchange and transfer that BNB into your Trust Wallet. Okay, so how do you do that? It's really simple. All you need to do is to click on, so first, for example, you're on the wallets tab over here, click on BNB and you click on withdraw. Now it says address, tap to paste. So this means that you need to copy and paste your wallet address on the Trust Wallet. Okay, so you're gonna go back to Trust Wallet. All right, and basically you're gonna click on BNB, receive, and you're gonna copy your address over here. Okay, and then go back to Binance, paste your wallet address. Then over here on select network, you want to select BEP2. All right, confirm. Memo, you don't need to do this. Okay, so you skip this one over here and you go and type in the amount you want and then click on withdraw, and you will actually this will actually transfer the BNB you have on your Binance exchange to your Trust Wallet. Now I've already did that. Okay, I already have some BNB on my Trust Wallet, but yeah, basically it takes, once again, a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds, and you'll see that you will have some BNB on your Trust Wallet. Okay, so the next step to do is to swap the BNB you have on your Trust Wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. So what you want to do is to go on BNB, click on the more button and do swap to Smart Chain. Okay, Then you enter the amount you want to swap. And once it's done, you want to click on the swap button, and it's going to transfer your BNB into over here BNB Smart Chain. So like I said, I've already did that step, but if it's your first time to do this, you will do that. So it's going to appear here once you've swapped it. So all your BNB will now be in your BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so now we're at the most important part, is to buy our Alaska Inu. Now, how to buy an Alaska Inu? You need to go on the browser tab. Okay, by the way guys, if you do not see this browser tab on the bottom left, this is usually people who have an iPhone that don't have this, but I've got you covered up, guys. Don't worry, it's really easy. If you want to add the browser tab to your Trust Wallet app, all you need to do is to copy a link. So it's this exact link over here. So you want to copy this link and paste it onto Safari. Okay, so the link is trust.browser_enable. Then you click on go and click on the open, and this will actually activate. You will see now on the bottom your browser icon appear on your iPhone, okay, on the Trust Wallet app. So once you have this, we're almost done and we're ready to buy some Alaska Inu coin. So what we're gonna do is to scroll down over here where it says popular and click on Pancake Swap. All right, so this is where, as you can see, like I said, the only way is to transfer from BNB to Alaska. Okay, so once you're on Pancake Swap, all you need to do is to click on connect, and you want to connect your Trust Wallet. Okay, so this will connect your Trust Wallet and it will say how many BNB you have, and then what you want to do is to enter the amount of BNB you want. Okay, and then transfer that BNB into Alaska coin. So for this example, let's just do just a small amount of BNB, okay, because this is just an example. And over here, you want to click then to select currency. If when you type in Alaska Inu, if it doesn't appear, it's okay, because all you need to do is to go on a website called CoinMarketCap and then search, and then search Alaska Inu. All right, then you're gonna get Alaska Inu here, and what you want to do is scroll down where it says contracts here. Okay, and then you want to copy the address over here. So once it's copied from CoinMarketCap, you want to go back to Trust Wallet, and then instead just paste the address you just copied, and as you can see, then it tracked Alaska Inu. So you click on Alaska Inu, and then boom, you have it. So you can then transfer BNB. So the last step you need to do before buying it, make sure to change the slippage tolerance to 12%. Okay, a lot of people try 1% and stuff like that and never works. So a percentage that I've realized always work is 12%. So make sure to do that before you buy. So last step to do pretty much is to swap. All right, so what you want to do is to click on swap, confirm swap, and send over here, and boom. Okay, transaction submitted, view on BSC scan. Okay, so you click on close here, and it should appear on your Trust wallet. Okay, so as you can see, wallet, boom. As you can see, Alaska Inu, boom, it updated. I have a lot more Alaska Inu. Now guys, if it's your first time buying Alaska Inu, it will not appear on the Trust Wallet app. So make sure to search, make sure to click on the top right corner, okay, over here, and type in Alaska Inu. Now this usually will be gray like this. All you need to do is to turn this on, and this will activate Alaska Inu. This will allow you to see how much Alaska Inu you have, okay? So before you do the transfer, or even after you do the transfer, make sure that it's green so you can see now your Alaska Inu. So as you can see, it updated. I have way more Alaska Inu right now, and that's pretty much how you buy Alaska Inu, okay? So right now it's in my wallet and it's bought, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure once again to use the links in the description to use Binance, okay, or Binance US if you're in the US, okay, because if you're in the US, it's another crypto exchange, which is called Binance US, you need to use, okay? Because the regular Binance doesn't work for a US citizen. So all you need to do is to use the Binance US link that you will have that I'll have in the description. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.